Hello, this is Gail Herlitzka doing assignment number 7 on database and database websites. So per the instructions, we could go to Fandango. So what I've been able to find out about the difference between static websites and dynamic websites, what I can come up with a solution is that the difference between the two is, and dynamic I would assume is going to be the same as a database because that's the only thing that I've been able to come up with on research. But static websites are those whose contents cannot be changed without the developer editing the source code. Whereas in dynamic websites, the site owner will be able to change the site context from an admin dashboard without much technical knowledge. So the ones that I've found, we have an example of Fandango. That would be database or dynamic because they can go in and change the information on the movies that are available. Another one would be anything that's kind of related to any kind of store that you could purchase from. So Williams-Sonoma, since their product is forever changing, you would say that same thing about Amazon, and I think Amazon would probably be one of the bigger ones because they have more stuff that changes. Any type of Autoport store, any type of pet supplies, where they can advertise their sales and their featured brands and cost on things as well. And again, so the only thing that I was able to find when I looked at database websites and static content sites was these web pages right here, and what's the difference between the two. And like I said, static web pages are those websites which cannot change the content until the developer edits the codes. Dynamic pages can display different content from the same source. There's different things, pros and cons to each one that I found. So the pros to static websites are they are easier to develop, lightweight, and develop costs will be cheaper. The cons of static websites requires a web developer to update and maintain the site, not very interactive generally. The pros to dynamic websites, content can be updated by the site owner itself, more functional. And the cons of a dynamic is the development cost will be more, heavier compared to static websites, and hosting costs may increase. Those are the differences between the two, and the type of places, like I said on here, were like anything that you can go purchase from, anything that updates their website with product that they're selling, price changing, specials, etc. So I hope this gives you a good explanation and is accurate because I'm completely lost at this point. Thanks. Bye.